Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 3 new products from Becca Cosmetics. I was so honored to have been invited to the Becca Cosmetics event in New York City last week. It was the week before. One of the weeks. And I have always wanted to do this video. I've been wanting to do it for the last week, but things came up. So I'm finally sitting down today to share with you guys their 3 new products that they came out with. And I want to go ahead and share them with you guys, as well as give you a demonstration on how I use these. Disclaimer, spoiler alert. Love them all so much. So I want to go through each product with you guys to kind of share with you what each one does. And yeah, like I said, I will do a demonstration through video and like a makeup tutorial kind of thing of how I apply these products myself. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first product I want to go ahead and talk about is this one, which is, I think, their coolest new product. I actually wore my blue lace dress to match this product. Just a little, fun fact for you. It doesn't mean anything for this video, but anyway. So this is Becca's brand new. This is their Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. This product is so cool, and it's unlike anything I've ever tried before. The thing that's so cool about it is, first of all, it's a blue, but it doesn't come off blue, so don't get nervous, don't get scared. The thing about this product is it feels like it's like, I don't even know, it's like a balm. But when I think of a balm, I think of something that's sticky and like a chapstick kind of feeling. This one feels like a balm. When you rub it with your fingers, it just feels so light and airy. I don't really know how to describe it. I would say it's like a balm, but to the touch, it's not sticky. It's nothing like that. So the thing with this under eye, which I love, is that it really helps with, like it says, anti-fatigue in the sense of puffiness. If you have a little bit of darkness under your eyes, I think that would help as well. But the one thing that I've seen a difference with is it helps smooth out the eye with fine lines and wrinkles and everything like that. It is a primer, so you do apply this before you go ahead and apply your concealers and everything like that. But I will say that I really love this product. I've seen a difference in my under eyes applying it on its own without makeup, and I definitely see that I feel like my concealer blends out so much more effortlessly when I do apply this, and I just really love it. Like I said, I feel like I have it on my eyes today, and I just feel like my under eyes look so smooth and like, I don't know. I feel like it just really helps with the under eyes. What you want to go ahead and go in is with your ring finger, because your ring finger is the most delicate finger and the softest to the touch. And so you just go ahead, you just go around in a circle, and then you can go ahead and apply it right underneath your eye. And like I said, it's something that is so different than anything I've ever used. So I really do love this stuff. I definitely recommend checking this product out. It's really cool. What does it retail for? Just so you guys have an idea. It is $32. Try this out. So next, I wanted to share with you guys their new under eye corrector. So this is their Becca under Eye Brightening Corrector. They actually already have this product, and this is the one that they have already. So this one is for light to medium undertones. This one goes for medium to deep skin tones. So this is the original that they have, if I can get it open. So this is the original color. As you can see, it's much lighter. And so this is the medium dark one. So as you can see, this is the new one. This is the older one. So as you can see, this one is much darker for darker skin tones. I love the original under eye brightener. I use it a lot on my brides, and I know that my mom uses hers all the time and she really loves it. And I love it just because it gives that little bit of oomph to your under eyes. Like I said, I use it the majority on my brides just because, with brides, you do photography and you want the bride to look their absolute best on their wedding day. So I always use that product for brides, especially if brides have kind of dark circles and darkness under their eyes. So Becca did come out with one for darker skin tones and deeper skin tones, because of course going in with the lighter color, it would be too light for deep skin tones. So I'm really glad that they came out with this, because like I said, I love this product for clients, and like I said, it gives that little bit of extra oomph to the under eyes. I don't use this product as much because I feel like I don't need it. Like I said, I do have this in my collection, and I do use it once in a while, but for the majority of the time, I usually just have it in my makeup collection. But I really recommend this product for people, like I said, who want that little bit of extraness under their extraness. Is that a word? They want a little bit more of concealing underneath their eyes, especially if you have dark circles. I really recommend trying this product out. This one retails for, just so you have an idea, this is $32. Like I said, it does come in the light and the medium to deep. So depending on your skin tone, definitely check this out. And last but not least, the third product that they came out with, oh my gosh, I love this stuff. This is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. Oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. So it is a white powder, as you can see. This powder is so light to the touch. It doesn't even feel like a powder. It is so finely milded, and it's just so finely put together that, oh my gosh, this powder, it's just, I don't even know if it's a powder. It's just so lightweight. It doesn't even feel like you're applying powder. It's obviously not heavy at all. I do have it under my eyes today. I was really excited to try this just because for me, my biggest thing when it comes to trying out new products, especially for whether myself or my clients, is always making sure they look good in photography, because obviously the majority of the clients that I work on are brides. So I always want to make sure that products do look good in photography. So I knew I needed to try this product out right away as soon as I got it, and I tried it out the next day, and I will show you pictures. It does not come back with any kind of flashback in photography, which I love. And again, I think in conjunction with the anti-fatigue primer, I think these two together are the dynamic duo. I think that between this blends out your concealer so beautifully, and it smooths out that under eye area, and this just, I love it. It just it sets your under eyes so beautifully as well. So I think these two in conjunction are the best under eye products. And then you add in, of course, your concealer. But I love this powder. It is so light. And I do feel like, you know, whether you are the kind of person who wants a highlighted, you know, face with going in with lighter concealer, it's totally up to you. It's totally your preference. But I do see a bit of a brightening underneath the eyes. I don't know if it's totally like, boom, it will really brighten your eyes. But for me, I'm the kind of person who just wants a little bit of oomph to make your eyes kind of pop, and I feel like that's definitely what this powder does. And most importantly, it's not cakey, and it definitely does not make your concealer crease. It sets your under eyes. So I just love that powder. Like I said, I think that out of all three, I do love the under eye correctors, like I said, more so for my clients. Like I said, I'll link all the products down below for you guys if you want to go ahead and purchase them for yourself. But I think if I would recommend any of the products out there for you guys, I think that these two are definitely the ones you need to pick up and try for yourself. I love them. Becca, again, I feel like all of these products are amazing. You guys continue to come out with such amazing products. I don't know how you do it, but I love these things, and I hope you guys love them as well if you pick them up for yourself. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of demonstration video of me sharing with you guys how I go ahead and apply these products. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. As always, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried these products for yourself. If you're interested in trying them, let me know in the comments down below which one you want to go ahead and purchase. As always, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.